Okay, now that I have brushed down the this mat with a degreaser with a brush, I'm going to use this little fella, steam. Will loosen and get rid of every bit of dirt. So here we go. It might look like a foggy day, but you'll see. And there you have it. Brand new mat. Perfect. Looks brand new. There you got it.